Hi boys and girls, today's story is Animal Tricks, written by Michelle Dufresne, illustrated by Sterling Lamont. And as you can see, Jasper is back, okay? And so is Katie and Tony's dog. And in this story, Tony is bragging about all the different tricks that his dog can do. And he wants to know if Katie's cat, Jasper, can do any tricks. Let's see if he can. Animal Tricks. Animal Tricks. This page is our title page. Here is my dog, said Tony. My dog can do tricks. Can Jasper do tricks? Oh, yes, said Katie. Jasper can do tricks. I'm thinking Jasper's still lazy. My dog can shake hands, said Tony. Look at my dog shaking hands. Tony looked at Jasper. Can Jasper shake hands? He said. No, said Katie. My dog can beg, said Tony. Look at my dog begging. Tony looked at Jasper. Can Jasper beg? He said. No, said Katie. Look, said Tony, my dog can roll over. Look at my dog rolling over. Tony looked at Jasper. Can Jasper roll over? He said. No, said Katie. And then Katie figures out something that Jasper can do. My cat can read, said Katie. Jasper, where is the tuna fish? Look at Jasper reading. Now, boys and girls, I want to know what you think. Do you think Jasper can read the word tuna, or do you think he just knows what his can of tuna looks like? Let me know. All right, let's look at some words in our story. Short E has been our lesson for today, and we're going to work on some words and break some words with short E. All right, we're going to look at this page. Tony says, my dog can beg. Let's check this word slow. B-egg. Beg. What's this letter in beg? The first letter. It's a B, so you should say B. Now, this is beg. Now, let's look at begging. Boys and girls, it's the same word. It just has an ending stuck to it to make it sound right in the story. Look at my dog begging. There's that ing part that you know. Begging. Let's break it. Begging. Begging. All right? Now let's look at another word. What is this word you know? That word is apt. What letter is this? That's a D. What letter is this? D. What letter is this? D. It's D. All right, boys and girls, something else we've been talking about is when a character is talking in a story. What that character says is put around quotation marks. All right, there's where the quotation marks begin. That's where the quotation marks end. And on this page, Katie is talking. And she says, look at Jasper reading. That's where she stops talking. So that's the end of the quotations. So these little marks right here are called quotation marks. They're used for when someone's talking. All right, boys and girls, let's look at our letter work. We were looking at B's and D's. B's and D's. That's a letter that looks a lot alike, and it's also a letter that you need to know really fast. So we're going to sort them fast. We're going to put all the B's together and all the D's together. That's a D, that's a B, that's a D. And boys and girls, one of the things that will help you with fast letter recognition is that you say the letter when you move the letter. Watch me. Miss Kemp's going to put them all back down here at the bottom. Make sure you can see. All right, when we move them to the top, we're going to make sure that you say the letter when you move the letter. Watch me. B, D, D, B, B, D, D, D. Okay? Can you move them as fast as I do? I'm sure that you can. There's your letter work. Okay. Now, boys and girls, we're going to talk about our making words. So let's look this way. All right, our first word that we're going to make that was in our story is the word yes, okay? You can see it here. Yes. All right, let's break yes. S. Put it together. Yes. And then let's check it. Yes. Boys and girls, when you check a word, you should never go past the word because that's where the word stops. You should never go, yes, because the word's not over here. You start checking where it starts. You stop checking where the word stops. Yes. Okay? So there's the word yes. Now we're going to move yes up, and I'm going to pull down another word that was in your story. This word is beg. What's this letter? B. Good. How many letters are in this word? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Now let's break this word. B-E-G. Put it together. B-E-G. Beg. Beg. Now what if I wanted to say Tony's dog was begging? This word was also. Don't let it trick you when there's a double letter in the middle. It's still going to say G. All right, then we're going to bring down our ing. Now we've made a big word out of a little word. Begging. Let me show you how you could break it. B-egg-ing. B-egg-ing. And we put it together and we have begging. Now let me show you another way to break it. There's another way that you could break begging. You could also break it like this. B-egg-ing. So then we would have B-egg-ing. Put it together. B-egg-ing. Begging. All right, boys and girls, you try making some words and breaking them and see if you can come up with the word. All right, I hope you enjoy your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.